Assalamualaikum dear viewers, this is Abdul Halim and welcome to my Perfect Freelancing YouTube channel. Today we will know how to create a editable gradient text. So first of all I want a shape and just go to window, then just go to window menu, then apply gradient. This is a default gradient. Just click here and gradient will apply automatically. But when I apply gradient, this text gradient will not apply. So what is problem and how can I solve it? For this, please continue with me. First, this text must be none this fill color. Then go to window menu, then appearance and click here to new fill. Just apply, go to Editable tool and click here and gradient will apply easily. And you can change this color, double click here and choose the color, gradient will apply. And you can change dimension or radial color and adjust this gradient. So select all and edit this. Editable, and editable text will apply. And you can change opacity, location, all and everything. So I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. So don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.